Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, we are going to be learning how to fix PayPal can't send money issue using your iPhone. If you're encountering the issue of not being able to send money via PayPal on your iPhone, then here are some steps you can take to address the problem. The first thing you would want to look for is that you are connected to a stable internet. Turn on your Wi-Fi or your cellular network and make sure that you're connected to one. Once you are, force stop your PayPal application. Swipe up from the bottom of your iPhone and this will bring up the background running app cards on your screen. Push off the app cards upwards and this will force close your application. Once you force close your PayPal app, launch open it again. Now, the next thing to do is to check your balance. Ensure that your PayPal balance has sufficient funds. If not, consider adding funds or using alternative funding methods. Also make sure to verify if there is any limitations imposed on your account. If so, you will need to remove the limitation to restore full account functionality. If you're going through any kind of a limitation, you will not be able to send money using PayPal. While sending money, make sure that you enter the information correct. Double check the information you entered while linking your bank account. If it does not match, then you will need to remove your bank account and link it again. After you make sure all of that, you can now go ahead and try sending your money and see if that works for you. If the problem still persists, delete your PayPal application by pressing and holding on your PayPal app icon and tap on Remove App in the pop-up. Tap on Delete button twice in order to delete your PayPal application. Now get back to your App Store and re-download PayPal. Once you re-download the PayPal application, you might be able to fix your issue. So those were some of the fixes we could try out if your PayPal application is not being able to send money. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.